I get a cool sticker badge for my case.
Yeah.
You might want to brand it, which I don't.
Yeah, you don't either.
Yeah, be as stealth as possible.
Pretty much.
I also have an antenna. Are these the same antennas, you think? No, probably not. Mine's from Ashland. They look the same.
They're very similar.
Yeah. Interesting. Oh, mine doesn't flip out like yours does though. It's just a stick.
Oh, okay. Well, it might mount onto that thing.
Yeah. Alright, we'll figure that out later. Okay. And here's the instruction manual. That's how to. Oh, it teaches you how to build a noise. But we don't need that. We know what we're doing, right? Right? That's good. Alright. So CPU. Here.
You get a little sticker too.
Yeah. Nice. Where I put my knife? Right here. Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure when you open up your thing that there's no bent pins because that would suck.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright. Well, that was 23 minutes. What?
Yeah, dumb.
What the hell? That didn't feel like 23 minutes.
Yeah, you're having fun.
Oh shit.
Oh gosh.
Alright. Yeah, I don't know how you do the hot sauce. Maybe you can come up with an idea. I guess I
You
can
just have like a little bowl with. Oh
yeah,
wait.
but how many?
Yeah, because you got how many bowls do you have?
I mean, the best way I can do is just like we could do the top one first, and then we just set the sauces around the perimeter, and whatever the bottom is closest to is the hot sauce that it's at. Like a clock.
Yeah, or just do like maybe 5 or something at a time.
Oh yeah, sure.
Otherwise, it might be too.
Yeah, too much. Oh. Okay. Not
There you go.
Yeah. That's fair. Smells like hot sauce. Very vinegary.
Yeah. Or ball.
A lot of them I think are vinegary. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. So this is what I got from White Santa from work, and these are all the hot sauces. I don't know how hot these are. I am expecting it to not be hot, but some of them can surprise me. We'll see, and that's what we're having with chicken nuggets. And then I have to take. I mean, I'll do the punishment later, but I'll do the hottest one. I don't know. The hottest level here is probably habanero. Yeah, I think it's habanero. So whatever the habanero one is, there's 2 of them, I think.
Is there?
So there's this one, which is mango habanero, and then there's also this one, which is regular habanero. And that's
they
cayenne.
actually have like the.
Yeah.
All just medium.
No, this is hot. That's hot, and then medium there, and this is hot.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Asian
you
hot
said
sauce.
you didn't care for buffalo.
Yeah, I don't really care for buffalo sauce. I mean, that could be a punishment on its own. Just saying, because I just don't. I don't care for buffalo sauce.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's basically our dinner, lunch,
Yeah.
and the rest of the day. That's it.
The rest of the day. I'm gonna close my. I was looking at my pens and I don't see anything.
See, okay, that's good.
But it's hard to see.
Yeah, we gotta look at different angles, different lighting.
Yeah.
Should be fine though. I believe.
I got it though.
Yeah.
Picture.
Alright.
Zoom. Enhance.
Yeah. The one time it works. Yeah, this is my motherboard. Oh, dude, it's got a little freaking fan on there. That's hilarious. That's for the SSD, guys. Look at it. That's funny. I think that's funny, but it makes sense.
Yeah, I think there's a little fan in here. Yeah, there is a fan right there.
Yeah, okay, that's fair.
Vertical.
But yeah, but mine is like, yeah, it's out there. This is, hey guys, I'm a fan.
There's a little fan.
There's a. Oh my! IO shield comes pre-installed.
You do have to take it off and put it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, these look okay.
Yeah. I stand it bag. I think mine are okay too. Yeah, they look okay. I'm gonna pick this up, put it down here. Just to look at the angles. Oh! That's it. Don't worry guys, nothing happened. It's just the lid fell back onto it. Yeah, mine look all aligned.
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay, alright, so now comes the part where we place the CPU in there, and I got it unopened. Is it open? It's not. Oh, I didn't know, it's open. Okay. Mine's just on a simple, like it just, it's just a flip chart.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find the triangle.
Yeah, fine. All this power is such a 10, 10, 15.
Yeah, it's wild, right?
I
Like,
know.
alright. Yeah, when you get yours in, you wanna give it a shot, maybe of mine.
Triangle.
Very careful, put it in.
Mm.
Should be good. Sometimes you gotta just like do it.
I don't like how that feels.
That's fair.
I'm assuming that's all. Yeah, it's all in there, so. Alright, I guess we just do it.
Yeah, sometimes you need a little pressure.
It's been a long time since I've done
There you go. Good job! Hey! It's in, boys.
that. That's in. Dang. Okay.
Alright, just pull this and then you just lift it up. Take this thing. And just lift up the whole thing. The whole camera. There you go. Alright, so this is how you install a CPU. I mean, this is really a guide, but basically you find a little triangle here, and there's also a triangle on the socket there. And basically all you have to do is just set it in there like this. No pressure. And it just seats itself. You can like wiggle around a little bit, make sure it's fine, and basically you close this, and then you just like that, and this comes off because it's supposed to, and then you will put your thermal paste on there, but I am using something different. I'm using this, and I think I have to cut this down to size, but we'll see. But I won't use it yet because the cooler comes after we place in the RAM. So yeah. And then basically that's the next step, is to put the RAM into the slots here. So basically you take this, and you take this and you insert it into the RAM slots here. Corey's gonna be doing the same thing.
Yeah.
We only have dual channel RAM, but you know that's the compromise you put in for Mini ITX builds, which is fine.
Yeah, I don't need.
Yeah. Thanks for doing that, Corey. Appreciate it.
No problem. Alright. Bitches. It's the same one that I got from my other PC.
Yeah.
Just DDR5.
Doesn't fit in here. Come on, guys.
I know, that's what I tried to. Well,